Hi everyone, Einat Kessler here with another card in the 12 Cards of Christmas 2020 series, and today we are making a standing pop-up card, which is really cute and fun and easy to make. You have all the measurements and a complete cutting guide in the link in the description under the video, so go ahead, click the link, download the cutting guide, print it, and then you can pre-cut all the pieces for all the cards. And then you can join me in the video to make the cards. So we're going to start with this large piece here, and we're going to score it at 4 1/4, 4 3/4, 5 1/4, 5 3/4, and 6 1/4. So 5 score lines all together, and this is going to give us that standing pop-up piece that we need to make the card. So it's actually a really easy card to make. So again, 4 1/4, 4 3/4, 5 1/4, 5 3/4, and 6 1/4. So next we're going to fold the score lines that we did, and we're going to fold them in an accordion shape. That means that we're going to change the direction of the fold, so it's going to give us sort of an accordion. So the first fold is a valley fold, and then a mountain fold, and then you continue until you finish all the score lines. I'm going to show you how it looks. You see that I'm using a double-sided cardstock, so that makes it really easy. So you're going to have an M at the end. Now we're going to apply glue to the inside of these folds to create the pop-up mechanism. So you apply the glue to the inside tab on the left and the inside tab on the right. So a tab is basically between two fold lines. So between the two right fold lines and between the two left fold lines. So what you're going to have is this two popping up tabs, and these are going to hold the piece that is going to be standing inside the card. So basically the mechanism of the card is ready. Now all you need to do is cut out some cover papers and something that is going to be attached to the center of the card. And that something is it can be an image that you cut, or a quote, or anything. It can be in any shape that you want, as long as it's compatible with the width of the card. So when you close the card, it won't stick out. So what I'm doing is covering the inside of the card with my cover papers, and this is how it looks on the inside. It opens like this. And now I'm going to take the square that I cut with the quote on it. I cut it from the papers, apply glue to the bottom, and then attach it to the inside between the two standing flaps. Also have a little Santa that I'm going to attach to the square. And once you've finished attaching everything you want in the center there between the two flaps, you apply the glue to the inside of one of the flaps, and then you simply close it and secure that standing element in between the two flaps. Basically your card is ready. You can go ahead and add some more embellishments on the inside or on the outside. But this is basically your card. It looks really cool. When you open it, then everything inside simply stands. I'm going to add the cover paper in the front with little quote, and this is your creative moment, and you can add whatever you want to the front of the card, embellishments, and just embellish it any way that you want. You can add flowers, you can add more Santas, whatever fits your theme of the card. I'm going to look for maybe a nice sticker to add to the front of the card, and then the card will be finished. Let's add this ornament here. Looks pretty cool. So if you liked this video, and I hope you did, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so this way you won't miss anything, and you can always know and see what I'm uploading. So this is how it looks on the inside. You can see that it's standing. Really cool card. So I want to thank you very much for joining me, and you can find all the 12 cards of Christmas in the playlist. They're all in one place, so you can go and make them one by one this way. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. I really enjoyed this 12 cards of Christmas series, and I hope you did too. And I will see you in my next video.